I've got the fastest version of every Tesla. The Model 3 Performance, the Model Y Performance, the Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast, the Model S Plaid and the Model X Plaid, and I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile to see how they compare. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow! The Tesla Model 3 Performance has 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 460 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. It weighs 1,839 kilograms and costs just under £60,000. The Tesla Model Y Performance has 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 527 horsepower and 660 newton meters of torque. It weighs 1,997 kilograms and also costs just under £60,000. The Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast has 3 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 845 horsepower, 930 newton meters of torque and launch control. It weighs 3,104 kilograms and costs £150,000 after import costs. The Tesla Model S Plaid has 3 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 1,020 horsepower, 1,420 newton meters of torque and launch control. It weighs 2,190 kilograms and costs just under £116,000. The Tesla Model X Plaid has 3 electric motors, all-wheel drive, 1,020 horsepower, 1,420 newton meters of torque and launch control. It weighs 2,464 kilos and costs just under £127,000. I've brought some friends along with me for this race, so let's just say hello to them all. First up in the Tesla Model Y,
we have Sam, Book of Excuses, near Lachlan.
How you doing, Sam? You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect family car for you. Yanni, I could say that the Cyberbeast is the perfect car for you.
Yep, this is a bad boy, satin black, stealth. It's a beast, literally.
And then we come on to the real fast cars. And Tommy, the car you're in is faster than all your Italian Exotica, isn't it?
Yeah, in a straight line it is.
And Rory, you're in the right car for you as well, because you've got even more children than Sam.
Yeah, I don't have 5 children, but I do have 3 children, and I've got 6 seats here, and I've got 1,000 horsepower. Isn't usually a recipe you find with that number of seats and that much horsepower.
You have 3 children and a live-in nanny. Perfect car for you. Before we get into this racing, shall we see how dynamic or undynamic these Teslas are? Because this car has a drift preset. Does it really work? Should we find out? Will this even go? I just spun around. That was rubbish.
Remember, this is Sam's tuition you're watching.
I'm not putting my name to this.
I can't feel it. It's like, it's so hard with the... Oh, there we go.
Much better, Matt, much better.
Sam, let me pull up and then you go. I'm going to probably be sick after all of that. Oh, he's got it. Did you have a front wheel drive in yours, Sam?
It doesn't really give me the choice for that because I can't change my drift presets.
Just quickly, I can set this to handling balance, front 50, rear 50. What should I make it?
I would push it all to the rear if you're going to drift. No, put it all to the front.
Yeah, and I would imagine 2080 would be better. If you go all to the rear in that, it's just not even going to do anything.
Forget that. You're in a Cyberbeast. Go full on rear wheel drive. Just do it.
Okay. All right, I've just gone full on rear 100.
That's what we want. Your front wheel tyre's going to come off if you do any more of that. I probably wouldn't bother. Oh, hello. Hello. I think you got it, mate.
Nice work, Jan.
In all fairness to you, Matt, I put it to 100. You were wrong, Sam. Matt, you were right.
Tommy, do whatever you can. Oh, stop. Those tyres are going to be dead, but we get the idea.
Yeah, 100% to the rear doesn't work on this.
And Rory, I don't know if you can do it in the X.
I don't have the ability to move my power around, to be honest with you.
Just go drive around in a circle, just for completeness. That looks really good. Yeah, I like that, Rory. Just pull up and do your Falcon doors. There we go. Maybe do both of them rather than just one. Sam, didn't you do stunts?
I do.
What I want you to do is get out your car and run and sort of vault through that Model X.
I don't do parkour. I'm 42 years old, Matt. My hips will explode.
Go on, why not?
Go, 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 go. Parkour!
That was actually not bad. Right, that's enough pissing about. Let's move on with the actual race.
Speaking of race, put it back in drag strip mode. It says conditioning for peak performance.
Sorry, everyone is watching. We've now got to wait. Can you just stay in the video while we wait for 22 minutes? Those Plaids need to condition their batteries.
One eternity later.
Well, right, finally, after about 45 minutes of the cars getting ready, we can drag race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that beast is off like a rocket.
The boys away!
What's happened to the Y?
Wow.
Oh, here we go.
The Plaid's coming past now, though. I'm coming past the beast.
Listen, that's not bad considering.
That was interesting.
Well done, XE.
First things first, what were you doing, Tommy?
It said ready to launch, but before I launched, it disappeared. So I'm not sure what happened there.
So you held it on for too long. You needed to time it better. You didn't have that problem at all, did you, Rory? You just scooted ahead and won.
Yeah, I was surprised to win. I was also surprised to look across and see the Cyberbeast absolutely launch. Like, that thing was scary.
Yanni, you were out the blocks pretty blooming quick.
And listen, we know it is so heavy, but fair play, outdone you two.
Off the line, but not over the quarter mile.
No, you didn't catch me. You and Sam were behind me.
What parallel universe are you living in, Yanni?
Did I come last, or did I beat Sam? Did Sam come last? Mate, I'm really confused now.
Yes. What happened to you, Sam? Do you know what I think? It's like your car didn't launch, then you went in a mood and then just drove like you're on the road.
I don't know. I mean, I put my foot down. It's about all you can do in these fridges, and it just kind of didn't go as fast as Yanni. I would like to question, and Yanni, don't get the hump, right? But I think he was a little bit optimistic off the line.
I can't, because his windows are so... Look, there it is, look.
There's going to be a forfeit for you if you say that he did jump the start and he didn't.
I think he should have to launch with a full cup of water between his legs.
That's a great idea, Rory. That's the forfeit.
Wait, what battery do you have?
Simultaneous. It's literally as Will's hands go down, he moves.
Can someone get a cup of water?
Tommy! No. Come here, Tommy Social.
Hands are moving as he moves.
2/3.
Yanni, I think you should get a prize for being so perfect on the launch.
I'll take double wages for today, please. You know what I mean?
£15. Okay, no worries.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no!
Got a better start that time.
Come on, more speed! Wait. Why do I care?
Yanni wasn't so on it. Those Plaids are off. I'm pretty sure Sam's got a wet crotch.
Oh.
I think I beat him again.
There's only one thing I care about. Oh, actually, I had a little accident.
Heated seats on.
That ain't gonna wall your balls up. If your arse is not wet, your balls are wet.
My arse is wet. It trickled all the way down.
Oh, I don't want to know. Too much information.
So who crossed the line first?
I did in the Model X Plaid.
How come the X beat the S? Did you both launch together?
Yeah, we actually did launch together, but my battery's at 52%.
Why is your battery at 52%?
Came straight from Tesla. All these cars are from Tesla, so it was charged before it came, yeah.
Oh, well, it is what it is. They sent the cars this way. How much power are you on then, Rory?
Well, I'm on 75%, but I can't believe that in a Model S Plaid you're getting reduced power if your battery power is above 50%. If that's true, then I'm sorry, but that is
So this is one for the Tesla fanboys. Let us know in the comments, will that have affected Tommy's performance, or was it more traction related because we are racing on a damp track? Let us know. So then what exactly happened? Well, the slow motion replay shows the Model X Plaid one narrowly beating the Model S Plaid. They both completed the standing quarter mile in 10 seconds dead. The Model 3 Performance took 11.2 seconds, the Cyberbeast took 11.4 seconds, and the Model Y Performance came last with a time of 12.2 seconds. If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out Carwow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. Carwow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to Carwow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, Carwow. Now we go over a rolling race from 30 miles an hour over the half mile. Before that though, I've actually found a great leasing deal on a Tesla, one of these Teslas through Carwow. If you want to find out which car it is and what the lease deal is, then just click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the QR code on screen. I've also put a link to it in the description. Anyway, let's get on with this rolling race. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
This launch is so good.
Look at that beast go.
Oh, the S has got me this time.
It's going to beat me to the blooming quarter.
Right, so mine top speed's 130 miles an hour.
Those Plaids have just shot off.
Very fast.
I've got to say, those Plaids are just differently, completely. But the most surprising thing, that beast, I think he beat me to the blooming quarter mile, Yannick.
And this does a top speed of 130 miles an hour, just so you know.
Okay, so then it starts to back off a bit. That Y though, Sam, it's Y. Why is it so slow? I mean, I think it's about 200 kilos heavier than this 3 and less aerodynamic. It's quite a big difference in real world performance, isn't that?
This is one of the slower ones I've ever felt.
Did the X win again, Rory?
Hey, Tommy just won that time, but it was funny because we both hit 166 or something and we both looked at each other and we just stopped. But he did win, yeah.
Okay, let's just try one more time, see what happens when you're at a higher speed. So we're going to do it from 50, right? 3, 2, 1, go. Slightly higher speed with extra drag, that beast isn't ahead. Plaids have buggered off again.
Ooh, hello Rory, how are you doing today?
Just that extra 20 mile an hour just meant you had so much more drag your brick of a car. You weren't able to get the jump on me?
Please don't call it a brick of a car. You can call it an upside down skip. You can call it a fridge, but it's not a brick of a car.
And speaking of bricks, what would happen if that car's software bricked itself? You'd be wouldn't you?
I've already got enough issues trying to get registered in the UK, and they've already taken one. So I'm working on it at the moment. My car's in Germany, and I'm working on it. Tough.
How much is that to do that?
For 100 grand.
I hope you didn't say what I just think you said. Oh my God. Oh well, good luck with that, Yanni. If you can't get it through, what do you do with the car?
I'll either send it to Cyprus or I'll send it to Dubai.
Let's move on to the final challenge, which is going to be the most interesting of all, I actually think, just because of the sheer weight of your vehicle at over 3.1 tonnes. Have you got a light bar on the top of that thing? And if so, why isn't it on?
Here you go. Check this. Have a look.
Oh, bloody hell. That's bright, isn't it? Look at that. That won't get through your tough test. That's TUV. It's a German thing. Now we're going to have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car which stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with a Tesla Cyberbeast, then click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. If not, stay here for the brake test.
Yeah!
Yanni's pointing at something. It looks like Yanni's got an excuse. Go on, Yanni, what is your excuse? Is it the fact that your thing weighs 3.1 tonnes and it's got weird tyres on it?
No excuse, but obviously you can't see my brakes. I'm just making sure they haven't caught fire because they are stinking.
Tommy, did I beat you? I don't know.
I think you have. I'm not actually sure. Let me get on and check.
I trust Tommy. I trust you to be truthful. Truthful, Tommy.
I genuinely can't. No, yeah, you won. You won.
Oh, that's all good. I think that's really the end of the video. There's no point in me talking anymore. Bye.